Now we are going to compare 4 and 5. So first we have compared 4 and 3. Here more than one variable is changing. So we are unable to consider it. So now we are going for 4 and 5. In 4 and 5 only one variable is changing. That is the last variable is changing. So we'll be getting 0 1 0 x. So we'll be getting 0 1 0 x. Now we are going to compare 4 and 9. So while comparing 4 and 9, we are getting three variables is varying. So unable to consider this 4 9. So we have compared 4 with 3, 4 with 5, and 4 with 9. Now we are going to compare 3 with 7, 3 with 13, and 3 with 14. Then 5 with 7, 5 with 13, and 5 with 14. Then 9 with 7, 9 with 13, and 9 with 14. Okay. Now, first one 3 with 7. So when comparing 3 and 7, only one bit is varying. The second bit is varying. All the other things are same. So we'll be getting 0x11. So now we are comparing 3 with 13. When you are comparing 3 with 13, 3 bits are varying. So more than one bit is varying. So unable to consider that. So then we are comparing 3 with 14. So here also unable to consider because more than one bit is varying here. Now we are comparing 5 and 7. Only one bit, that is the third bit is varying, all the other are same. So 0 1 x1. Next we are comparing 5 with 13. Only first variable is changing, so we can write it as x1 0 1. Then we are comparing 5 with 14. More than one variable is changing, so unable to consider that. Now we are going to compare 9 with 7. When you are comparing 9 with 7, more than one variable is changing. So then we are comparing 9 and 13. When comparing 9 and 13, only second variable is changing and all the other are same. So 1x 0 1. Next we are comparing 9 and 14. So more than 3 variable is changing. Next we are comparing 7 with so this is 7 with 3 with 3 with all these variables we have compared, then 5 with all of this variable compare, then 9 with all these variable compare. Now we are going to compare 7 with 15, then 13 with 15, then 14 with 15. So when you are comparing 7 and 15, only one variable is changing. So x1 1 1. Then 13 and 15, only one variable, third variable is changing. So 1 1 x1. So then next we are comparing 14 and 15. Only the last variable is changing. That is 1 1 1 x. Now we are going for the next step. So here you are having x in the last position. Now we are checking whether any x is present in the last position here in this area. No. So leave it. Now come to this one. Here you are having a x. Now we have to check whether you are having any x in the second position. No, you have to leave it. Now come to here. Whether you are having any x in the same position. Yes. Now you have to check whether they are differing by one bit. 0 1 same same. So we are going to compare 5 7 and 13 15, and they are differing by only one bit. So we'll be getting x1 x x1 x1, not x0, but it is, we have compared 5 and 13 and we have got x1 x1. Now then we are comparing 5 13 with 7 15. So first we have taken the x in the this position. You have taken x in the second position. So that is okay. So we have taken x in the First 3 7. You have checked for x in the second position. We are not having any x in the second position. Now we are checking any x in the third position. So here you are having a x in the third position, and they are differing by 1 bit. That already we have taken. Now we are coming for the first position. We are like having x in the first position. Previously we have taken this. If you want, we will check. So in the second position we have taken. Now we are coming for the this position. Okay. So they are differing only by 1 bit. So x1, x1. So x1, this is x1, x1. Okay. Next we are going for, we are writing the prime implicants. The prime implicant what we have got is, so we have got only this prime implicant, and this the prime implicants what you have got in the third step, that is 4 5 3 7 5 7 5 13 9 13 7 15 13 15 and 14 15 are the prime implicants what you have got in the second step, and the prime implicant what you have got in the sorry, in the third step we got this one, and this 5 7 13 15 is the prime implicant what you got in the fourth step. Okay. Now after this we have to check whether the prime implicants present here or present in this set. So first 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 is not present in this set. So you have to put a tick mark. Here you have to put a tick mark. Then 4 5, sorry, 4 5 is not present in this set. So you have to put a tick mark. Then 3 7, 3 7 is not present in this set, so you have to put a tick mark. Then 5 7, 5 7 is present here, so leave it. Then 5 13, 5 13 is present in this set, leave it. Then 9 13, 9 13 is not present in this set, you put a tick mark. Then 7 15, 7 15 is present in this set, so leave it. Then 13 15 is present in this set, you leave it. 14 15 is not present, you pick it. After that, initially we will be having only these prime implicants, that is 4 5 3 7 5 7 5 13 9 13 7 15 13 15 14 15 and 5 7 13 15. So the prime implicants after the completing the step 4 is 5 7 13 15. After getting this prime implicant, we have to check whether the prime implicants what you got in the third step are present in these steps in this prime implicant. So if it is not there, you have to also consider this. Now this 4 5 3 7 9 13 and 14 15 we have to add to this prime implicant. Along with this 5 7 13 15 we have to consider this 4 5 3 7 9 13 and 14 15. Okay. So if you want, I will animate and I will show clearly. So after completing step 3, we will be getting this prime implicants. After that, we will be getting this prime implicant. Now after getting the prime implicant in the step 4, we have to check whether the prime implicants that we got from the third step 3 are present in this step, in this prime implicant. So 5 7, first prime implicant in the step 3 is 4 5. 4 5 is not present here, so you put a tick mark. Then 3 7 not present, put a tick mark. 5 7 is present here, 5 13 is present here, 9 13 not present, 7 15 is present here, 13 15 is present here, 14 15 is not present here. So after putting tick marks for the missing pairs, Then you have to add these pairs to the prime implicant what you have got in the step 4. So now we have added these prime implicants with this one. Then we have to go for the selection of minimum prime implicants. For the selection of minimum prime implicants, we have written the prime implicants, and we have written the min terms, and we have put star in the corresponding positions. Then we are going to check which are the rows we are having only one star. We are putting the tick mark in the corresponding row. Here, this column is having only one star, so we are putting a tick mark here. Then here it is having one, or I will round it. So here you are having only one star, so I have put a tick mark. Here two, here two, here only one. I have put a here two, here one, here two. So after here only 5, 7, 13, 15 is not coming. All the things are coming. The 3, 7, 9, 13, 14, 15 and 4, 5. After completing this step, we have to check whether this is a question. In this question, now the pairs which are ticked are 3, 7. So 3, 7. It is present in the question. Then 9, 13. 9, 13. Okay. Then 14, 15. Okay. Then 4, 5. Okay. Now all the min terms are coming in that set. So even if you are neglecting this 5, 7, 13, 15, no problem. Because in this sets, that is in the sets of the 4, 5, 3, 7, 9, 13 and 14, 15, all the min terms are getting grouped. So there is no need to consider this 5, 7, 13, 15. So from this prime implicants, we have considered, we have got the minimum prime implicants as 3, 7, 9, 13, 14, 15 and 4, 5. And this 5, 7, 13, 15 is a redundant prime implicant. No need to consider it. So now how to write the expression. So already I have told you that we have to write the variables a, b, c, d. So it depends upon the question. If the in the question, if it is given as w, x, y, z, you have to take w, x, y, z. Here you are having a, b, c, d. So for 4, 5, 0, 1, 0, x. So if a particular variable is having x, don't need to consider. If it is 0, it is bar. If it is 1, it is uncomplemented literal. That is b. For first one, I will tell what term will be getting. A bar, B, C bar. So this one. Similarly for the next one, A bar, C, D. So then next one, A bar, C, D we have taken. A, C bar, D bar. So A, C bar, D bar. Then A, B, C. Next one, A, B, C. So this is the expression what we will be getting. So next we are going to see a problem. In this problem, it is a special problem. Here you are having don't cares. In the previous problems, you are having only min terms, but here you are having don't cares. So the the initial steps are same. That is, you have to write the binary equivalent of both the min terms as well as the don't cares. Then you have to rewrite depending upon the number of, here I have given red to the don't cares. Okay. Next, we have to rewrite the numbers depending upon the number of ones we are having. So depending upon the number of ones, we have rewritten the min terms. So here these are having only one ones. Next it is having two ones. Next 3 ones, and here 15 is having 4 ones. We have rewritten the number depending upon the number of ones. Okay, next is we are going for comparison. So after I have explained the comparison previously. After comparison, we'll be getting like this. So this is the thing what you are getting after comparison. So after the comparison, you have to list the after completing step 4, we will be getting the prime implicants like this. So after getting this prime implicants, we have to check whether the prime implicant got in step 3 are present in this set. So 1 3 it is present. So you no problem. 1 5 is not present. So you have to put a tick mark. So 1 9 is present. 2 3 is not present. 4 5 is not present. 4 12 is not present. 8 9 is not present. 8 12 is not present. 3 11 is present. Here you are having 3. Here you are 11. So 3 11 is present. Is no is present. No problem for 3 11. Don't tick it. 9 11 is also present. 12 14 and 11 15. Now what you have to do means you have to add these 1 5 2 3 4 5 4 12 8 9, then 8 12, then 12 14 and 11 15 with this 1 3 9 11. So we have to add these prime implicants with this 1 3 9 11. So we have added. Now next is from these prime implicants we have to find the minimum prime implicants. Okay, next we have to find the minimum prime implicants. So for in order to find the minimum prime implicants, we have to draw this table. So in this problem you are having don't cares also. This 4, 8 and 11 are don't cares. So we have written all the prime implicants and we have put a star mark in the corresponding min terms. Here is 1, so we put a star here. 3, here we have put on star. Then 9 we have put on star, and 11 we have put on star. Similarly we have put star in the respective positions. Then we are checking for the columns which is having only one star. The first column you are having 2 star, no problem. The second column you are having only 1 star, so we have put a tick mark there. Then 2 star, 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 2 star. So only you are having you are only a tick mark to 2 and 3. Now we have got only 2 and 3 ticked. We have ticked only 2 and 3. But in the question, the given min terms are I write here for 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 14 and 15. So these are the min terms given in the questions, and this 4, 8, 11 are don't cares. So no need to bother about that don't cares. But this 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 14 and 15. These min terms gets grouped. Now since this 2 and 3 we have ticked, no problem for this 2 and 3. The remaining 1, 5, 9, 12, 14 and 15 gets grouped. So first you check 1. 1 is present in 1, 3, 9, 11 and 1, 5. In these two places you are having 1. So if you take this, you will also the 9 also will come with this 1. So this 1 and 9 gets grouped. So we are going to tick this one. So first initially we have checked for only 1 star and we have got only 1, that is 2 3 pair only we have got. We have ticked. But our aim is all the min terms given in the question must get grouped. So we are going for the grouping of this min terms. So first we have consider the midterm 1. So 1 is present in the two prime implicants 1, 3, 9, 11 and 1, 5. So if you take this first one, both 1 and 9 gets grouped. Now remaining is 5 is there. 5 is present in two places 1 comma 5 and 4 comma 5. But 4 is a don't care. So it is better to consider this 1, 5. So 1, 5 we have considered already. We have ticked this one and this one. So 5 also okay. Now next to 12. So 12 is present in 4, 12, 8, 12 and 12, 14. So if you tick this 12, 14, both 12 and 14 gets satisfied. The only prime implicant now is 15. Need to be ticked. 15 is present in two places 11, 15 and 14, 15. But 11 is a don't care. So leave it to tick this 14, 15. So this 14, 15, this 12, 14, this 2, 3, this 1, 5 and 1, 3, 9, 11. These are the essential, these are the minimum prime implicants which is needed to group all these min terms. Okay, so I will explain this once more. First, what you are doing is first we have written all the prime implicants, then we have put star in the respective boxes. After that, we have checked for the columns which is having only one star. So here only you are having only one star. This column is having only one star. So you have ticked this 2 and 3. Then all the other columns are having two stars. So no way to tick in that manner. So now we have to write what are the min terms given in the question. The min terms given in the question are 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 14 and 15. Of these 2 and 3 gets grouped. So one by one we have to check. Now we have to group this one midterm 1. So midterm 1 is present in two places 1, 3, 9, 11 and 1 and 5. But this 4, 1, 3, 9, 11. If you take this only 1, 3, 9, 11, it is nothing but a quad. So if you consider 1 and 5, it is nothing but a pair. So if you are going for a pair, your term will be having 3 literals, and if you are going for a quad, your term will be having 2 literals. So we are ticking this 1, 3, 9, 11. So another advantage is when you are ticking 1, 3, 9, 11, 9 is also getting the 1 and 9 is also getting grouped. Okay, so we have ticked 1, 3, 9, 11. Initially 2, 3 is ticked by getting only one star in the column. Next, we are going for another procedure. So we are checking each and every min term and we are trying to group. So 1, 3, 9, 11. Next one is 5. We are taking the min term 5. So 5 is present in two places 1, 5 and 4, 5. But 4 is a don't care, so leave it and you take this 1, 5. So 5 is also get grouped. Now you come to 12. 12 is present in two places 4, 12 and three places 4, 12, 8, 12 and 12, 14. So if you tick this 12, 14, both 12 and 14 gets grouped. Now only 15 is the only min term which need to be grouped. So 15 is present in two places 11, 15 and 14, 15. Now we are taking 14, 15. So 14, 15, 12, 14, 2, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 9, 11. These are the 1, 3, 9, 11, 1, 5, 2, 3, 12, 14, 14, 15. These are the minimum prime implicants needed to satisfy or in order to minimize this problem. So the expression is Here the variables are w, x, y, z. So for the first term, x bar z, x bar z. For 1, 5, it is w bar, y bar, w bar, y bar z, w bar, y bar z. So actually this is x bar z. Okay, not x, z bar, x bar z. For the second one, w bar, y bar z, w bar, y bar z. For the next one, w bar, x bar z, y, w bar, x bar, y. For the next one, w x z bar, w x z bar. For 14, 15, w x y. Okay, this is x z and not x z bar. Okay, a small error in typing. So we have completed the prime Queen McCluskey method with don't care problem. So be careful with this problem. This problem is similar to the ordinary problem, but only thing is while coming to find the minimum prime implicants, if there is any need only you have to take consider that the don't care terms. Okay.